$2 trillion in 20 years, 241,000 lives lost. The US has finally come to this conclusion that there never was a military solution in Afghanistan.
There is no chance that 1 year, 1 more year, 5 more years, or 20 more years, the U.S. military boots on the ground would have made any difference. The way to do it is not through endless military deployments. The events we're seeing now are sadly proof that no amount of military force would ever deliver a stable, united, secure Afghanistan. What's happening now could just as easily happen 5 years ago or 15 years in the future. You have to be honest. I cannot and will not ask our troops to fight on endlessly.
But what took the US so long? One leader for 20 years urged the international community that there is no military solution to Afghanistan, and a negotiated political settlement was the only way forward. During Obama's first term, Imran Khan wrote him an open letter and urged him to look for a solution other than military.
We hope that there are lessons learned. There is no military solution in this part of the world, in Afghanistan. Now, what I hope is that it should be a concerted effort for peace. I personally met Biden and explained to him the futility of what's going on in Afghanistan. It's an unwinnable war. There has to be sanity. There's got to be a change of strategy. In Congress, at least, the majority of public opinion in US says, bring the soldiers back. There is no military solution. If there is no military solution in Iraq, how do they think there is a military solution in Afghanistan? Eventually, Afghanistan is going to become a bigger quagmire than Iraq.
That was the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, who ever since assuming charge has been advocating for a negotiated political settlement to the Afghan conflict.
Here was someone who kept saying that there's never going to be a military solution in Afghanistan. I kept telling Pakistan government whenever I had a chance. I came here in 2008. I spoke to senior Democrats. I told them that there will never be a military solution in Afghanistan. There is no military solution in Afghanistan. There is only one solution. In the coming days, we will be able to urge the Taliban to speak to the Afghan government and come to a settlement, a political solution.
Pakistan stood on the right side of the history for 20 years, urging nothing but for peace through political dialogue.
You see, first of all, they tried to look for a military solution in Afghanistan when there never was one. Only good outcome for Afghanistan is that if there is a political settlement which is inclusive, so they form some sort of a government that includes all sorts of different factions there.
In the National Security Council meeting held on August 16th, chaired by Prime Minister Khan, Pakistan reaffirmed its commitment to an inclusive political settlement as the way forward, representing